In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim your videos in Vimeo. Whether you need to refine a project or simply cut out unnecessary parts, these straightforward steps will guide you in creating the perfect video. So, grab your computer and let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Vimeo library, where all your uploaded content is stored. This is an essential hub for managing your video projects. Once you're there, locate the specific video you wish to edit. Make sure it's the right one that you want to work on today. Open this video so you can access its details and options. Now that your video is open, direct your attention to the video's settings page. Here, you should see a variety of options on the left panel. Look for the editing button, which is usually indicated by a scissors icon. This is what you'll need to move to the next phase of editing your video. With the editing button clicked, you'll see a few options pop up. What you want here is the video editor. Selecting this option will take you to the trimmer view. This is where all the trimming magic happens, allowing you to customize the length and content of your video. In trimmer view, you'll notice a timeline at the bottom of the screen. This timeline visually represents your video from start to finish. To set new start and end points, simply drag the left and right handles along this timeline. This action will allow you to precisely determine where you want your video to begin and end. This is particularly useful when you want to cut out any beginnings or endings that may not be relevant to your final version. If you need to do some more detailed edits within the video itself, you have the option to use the split tools. These tools are a powerful option if you need to remove or divide sections somewhere in the middle of your video, giving you more control over the final output. Once you're satisfied with how your trimmed video looks, it's time to save and apply the changes. Look for the Save or Apply button and click it. This will initiate the reprocessing of your video and update it with your new settings. And that's it. You've now successfully trimmed your video using Vimeo's built-in tools. This method allows you to efficiently edit and polish your projects to better fit your needs. With practice, you'll be able to quickly trim any video with speed and precision. Thanks for following along today, and happy editing!